Come on.
What you're doing is wrong.
Come on.
I was the mayor of the city of North Royalton.
Mr. Mayor Wigington. Hi, how are you?
How you doing?
Do you remember me?
Yeah.
Where are we right now?
You tell me.
Who I am, right?
I don't know who you are, miss.
Give me the camera, you're
I'm not trying to be some crazy person.
Okay.
I'm literally a mayor of a 11 freaking tiny house.
Do you want to take a breathalyzer?
I want an attorney.
I just cannot believe that you put me in the handcuffs and the mayor of the city. You all work for me.
Sir,
right?
Please.
I'm serious.
Oh, this will be great, guys. Have at it. Look at her. Are you kidding me?
In any hometown across the U.S., the mayor usually runs the show. But at the end of the day, not even the top dog at City Hall is immune to the consequences of breaking the law. From passing out at the wheel to getting in a fight with their spouse, these 6 bad mayors caught on police body cam get up close and personal with their handcuff-wielding subordinates. Welcome to After Hours, presented by Law&Crime. I'm Jesse Weber. We begin today's episode in Cleveland, Ohio. At around noon, officers conduct a traffic stop on 66-year-old Kathy Lux, the former mayor of North Royalton, Ohio.
Hi.
Let's go ahead and pull in this parking lot. That sound good? Okay.
No.
What's that?
Why?
I got you going 43 and a 25. What's that? What's no? And your plates are expired.
No.
Do you have a driver's license with you?
No.
Okay. Where's your driver's license at?
Nope.
No. Okay. All right. Go and put the car in park.
Okay. Sure.
Okay, you put the car in park?
After rolling up her window, the former mayor does not follow the officer's orders and decides to speed off instead.
I got a car taking off northbound Pearl Park. Speed's around 65. And she made a right-hand turn on the burger and crashed into a truck over in the parking lot.
A police chase ensues, but it doesn't last very long. Within a minute, Lux allegedly hopped a curb and crashed into an unoccupied tow truck in a parking lot, earning her another visit from the officer and a pair of handcuffs.
All right, get out. Get out.
Wait.
Get out.
I will.
Get up. Get up.
I will.
Turn around. Turn around.
All right.
Turn around.
Mm-hmm.
Turn around.
Yep.
Are you hurt?
Yes.
Stop. All right, step over this way.
No. What? No.
Yeah.
My stuff is in my car.
I got you.
No, my stuff is in my car.
Are you hurt?
Yes.
What's hurting?
Everything. My stuff is in my car.
Go ahead.
My stuff. My
Go
wallet,
to 750 for the few
my
people.
everything is in my car.
Physical injuries. And there's an unoccupied park tow truck over here. At Pearl Road.
My stuff is in my car. My stuff.
Alright, you're crashing that Pearl and Burger. I'd have to send Cleveland for you that way.
My
Go ahead and have a
stuff.
seat.
My
Have a seat up here.
You are such.
Get up there.
Are you at Ridge and Burger?
No. What? No. What you're doing is wrong.
In addition to speeding and having an expired license plate, police said Lux appeared to be intoxicated and had an open container of alcohol in her vehicle. But Lux appears to believe she's above the law.
Have a seat. Come on.
What you're doing is wrong.
Come on.
I want my stuff.
I will. Get up. Have a seat. Come on.
No, I want my stuff.
No, you gotta get up here. That's not how it works. Come on.
Listen. Let me
Have a
tell
seat.
you.
No.
No, let me tell you.
Put your
how
foot
it
up there
works.
and sit up.
No, let me tell you.
That's how it works. Have a seat.
Just one?
Just one, that's it.
Hi.
Hi.
You know, you're just gonna slow down. She's doing it.
Could I please have my stuff?
You will in a second.
Could I please have my stuff
In a second.
in my phone? Please.
I'm
Could I
51.
please?
Have a seat. I told you I'd get it for you.
And what?
Can you start heading over to John Muir, 5331?
This?
On 24th for a first grader, telling suicide, he's agitated. The staff has him
What?
visibly retained.
Do you not remember taking it off?
Sorry, restraint. He's in the hallway. 5531 West 24th.
You know what? I was the mayor of the city of North Royalton.
Okay.
I have been so used by
61 disregard.
so
Okay.
used.
Despite the former mayor's efforts to evade punishment, Kathy Lux was charged with failure to comply and operating a vehicle under the influence. She later pleaded guilty to both counts, serving 3 days in jail and 13 months of probation, in addition to mandatory mental health counseling, fines, and 12 points on her license. All right, we're going to jump right back into this in a minute, but before we do, I have to tell you about this app called Upside. This is a game changer. So Upside gets you cash back, yes, extra cash back on everyday purchases like gas, groceries, takeout. So here's what you do. You download Upside for free, you claim an offer at one of their 100,000 plus locations, and you pay like normal with your credit card. Then you verify the purchase, and just like that, money back. So say I needed to get gas or I want takeout one night, I'm going to search for Upside offers first, and after I spend, money will appear in my app that I can then transfer right into my bank account. And Upside's frequent users, they earn an average of $254 back a year. That's incredible. So to start getting your cash back, click the link in the description or scan the QR code and use promo code AFTERHOURS to get an extra 25 cents bonus on every gallon on your first tank of gas. Hope you can check it out. Next up, we're in Peoria, Illinois. At around 2:40 a.m., officers approach a vehicle parked in a hotel garage and find a man appearing to be slumped over the steering wheel.
1023, is it Charles over Victor?
Thank you. All right.
Charles over here.
Okay, that's fine.
Sir,
Yeah, you want to talk with that jizz also?
can I get your Can you like lean back for me?
Yeah, you want to talk to Sophie?
Who's Sophie?
Person right here in the driver's license, not just in a driver's license.
Mr. Mayor Wigington.
That's it.
Hi, how are you?
How you doing?
Do you remember me?
Yeah. how you
John
doing?
Harris.
Good to
Hey,
see
can you sit back for me, please?
Yeah.
The officer is speaking with 42-year-old Matthew Wigington, the mayor of Peoria Heights, Illinois. The police report states that Wigington had bloodshot eyes along with an alcoholic odor coming from his breath. Wigington also reportedly admitted to drinking at the hotel bar that evening.
What's going on tonight, man?
These people are talking to the driver's license.
Okay. Where'd you come from?
Dan Pelfrey.
Okay. Can you, do you have your driver's license?
Yeah.
Can I have it, please?
Driving right now.
You are, well, you're in a vehicle, okay?
Not with the driver's license in the vehicle.
Okay. I know, but you're in a vehicle, and I want to make sure that you're okay. I know who you are. Can you
Okay.
just work with me, okay? What's that? I don't need your debit card, okay? I don't need your, no. Okay. The fire department's going to check you out, okay?
Eventually, Mayor Wigington exits the vehicle and another officer starts questioning him.
Where are we right now?
You tell me. Where are we right now? Hey, do me a favor, too.
What do you need from me?
I need you to take your hands out your pocket to begin with. Okay? Now, you asked me where we are, and I told you to tell me, so where are we?
I'm asking you, what do you need from me right now? Officer?
Tell me where you're at.
Officer, what do you need from me right now?
I need you to tell me where you're at.
I'm asking you, what do you need from me?
I just told you twice.
Officer, I'm asking you what you need from me.
Can you
hang tight. That's what we need.
Perfect.
Can you tell me where you're at? Okay. Noted.
Paramedics then try to check Wigginton's blood sugar, but the mayor is more interested in speaking with the boss.
You're at Heights Department.
You're not in Peoria Heights.
What department do I need to speak to?
I'm talking to him right now. You're in the city of Peoria. You're talking to the city of Peoria Police and Fire Department.
The firefighters are trying to take your blood sugar. Can you let them do that?
Wigginton agrees to let paramedics conduct their finger prick test, but he continues to appear confused about why first responders are tending to him.
Mr. Mayor, can we please, listen, I'm trying to work with you here.
Josh, tell me what are you looking for?
What am I looking for? You want to seriously want to know what's going on right now? You are severely intoxicated, Mr. Mayor. You cannot drive that car.
I'm not driving right now.
You are in the driver's seat of the vehicle with the keys, which constitutes, in a push chair like this, constitutes. We're going to need some things right now. We need to get through their questions so we can. That way I can make sure that you're safe to drive.
The conflict continues as another officer starts looking for the mayor's car keys.
Hey, where are your keys at, Mr. Mayor?
They're not on me.
Where are they?
They're not on my vehicle.
Oh, they're not in the vehicle?
They're not on my person.
Okay. Where are they?
Do you want to search me?
No, I just don't know where your keys are. That's all.
They're not on my person.
Okay. Step that way for me, Mr. Mayor. Did we grab his keys already? No.
Mr. Mayor, are the keys on your person? Do you have them in your pockets?
Are you representing the police, fire department, or the police department?
We're the police department, sir.
We're the police department.
Were you able to locate them on the police department?
No. Are the keys on you? Are they on your person?
Do you need to search me?
If we can look for the keys, yes, sir. I got them.
Okay, all right.
After Mayor Wigginton denied having his car keys, the officer eventually finds them in his pocket. The next step, assessing the mayor's state of mind.
Okay, the fire department's going to you, Mr. Mayor. They're going to ask you a bunch of questions, okay? Some medical-related questions. I need you to just talk with them, okay? Once we're done with that, we'll get on to the next step. All righty?
Are you done with the police department?
Okay.
Here, just talk to the fire department right behind you, sir. They got some questions they need you to answer, okay? So my buddy here is going to ask you some questions. Can you answer those questions for him? Yeah. All right, thank you.
Are you done with the police department?
Right now we are, yes.
A member of the fire department starts asking the mayor basic questions, and he's able to give an address, but that's the only thing he appears to remember.
You asked me, John Brown.
You know what time it is?
You asked me, John Brown.
Matt, we're moved on. You answered it.
I'm afraid that you will hold that against me if I do not.
Anything against you?
John Brown.
Okay, perfect.
65's in here, resident here.
About what time it is?
Can I check your watch?
Without checking your watch. Without checking your watch.
No, I do not know what time it is.
I'll be out here.
I know that you told me. John Brown, 42 Main Street.
You did. Yeah, you got it.
Eventually, Mayor Wigington is brought outside and loaded onto a stretcher to get medically evaluated at the hospital.
We were never going to let him leave. Not on his own. That's not even a question. Oh, he's just smoked, drunk, and sitting in a car. She'll ride with for now. We'll be down in a minute. Yep.
What vehicles are unoccupied?
Just hang out outside the room.
What vehicles are occupied?
Matt.
Hey, Matt.
Appreciate it, guys.
According to the police report, Mayor Wigington was asked to perform field sobriety tests while at the hospital, and after allegedly failing 2 out of the 3 tests, he was placed under arrest at around 4:10 a.m. He also reportedly refused to submit to a breathalyzer, blood, or urine test. Matthew Wigington was charged with 1 count of driving under the influence. His next court date is scheduled for this summer. Now we go to East Greenwich, Rhode Island. It's 12:16 a.m. and officers conduct a traffic stop after spotting a vehicle reportedly swerving on the road.
All right, do you have anything in your mouth?
What
You don't have any gum or anything like that?
No.
Okay, all right. Okay, so listen, all right. What else did you have to drink tonight?
Just a glass of wine. Like
That's
I
it?
told you. Yeah.
Just 1 glass of wine?
It's my cousin. I'm taking her home. We went to a Christmas party. I don't drink. Very random. Nor would I drive if I drank. My husband would drive if I was drinking.
Okay.
I think I'm pretty cool, so it's fine.
So I can smell alcohol coming off your breath right now, and your driving was pretty erratic. So I mean, you can make all the faces you want.
I'm just
that's
saying, if
that's
you
perfectly
want to do
fine.
that, embarrass me.
I'm not embarrassing you,
You
miss.
are,
You put
though.
yourself in this position, not me. So listen,
I didn't drink.
miss, stay in the vehicle. Stay in the vehicle. Stay in the vehicle. Stay in the
I
vehicle.
told you she drinks. Stop embarrassing us.
I'm not embarrassing you, miss.
You
I'm
are.
doing my job. Yeah. Oh, I am.
know I am,
All right.
though, right?
Oh, yeah. Okay,
You
that's
love me,
fine.
right?
All right. I'm sorry. What did you say?
I am, right?
I don't know who you are, miss. And I frankly,
You don't
I
care,
no,
right?
I really don't. Frankly, I don't.
The driver is identified as 51-year-old Maria Bucci, who at the time was running for mayor in the city of Cranston.
You can start throwing out names and start
I would never throw out a
doing
name.
out what
I
you
didn't
need to
throw out
do.
a name.
It's not going to work with me. I'm telling you right now. I'm not the guy for that.
And
I'm
I'm
telling
not
you.
the girl for that either.
Well, you're starting that. You're starting it. You are. And just so you know, everything's recorded here. Okay?
I hope it is.
Bucci and the officer continue to go back and forth as he tries to put her through DUI protocols.
So listen, the next thing I'm going to ask you, okay, you're willing to go through some standardized field sobriety tests, the SFSDs.
No, you know what I want to do? I think this is abuse. I think
It's not abuse, miss. I'm asking you a simple
that girl
question.
is not driving and you're abusing her. I think
Okay,
it's
so
gross.
listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me.
Maria, just get in the car.
Miss, listen to me, okay? I'm going to ask you again. Are you willing to go through standardized field sobriety tests or SFSDs?
I actually just want you to call my husband.
All right, so you're not going to do them?
You want to arrest me?
Are you not going to do the test? It's
You
a
wanna
yes or a no.
arrest me?
It's a yes or a no.
Where's my
Nope,
phone?
you're
I'm
not
gonna
going to,
get my
nope, you're not
phone.
calling
I'm gonna
anybody.
get my phone.
So are you going to
What
do
do you
the
say,
test,
I'm
yes or no?
not allowed
Are
to
you
phone
going
call?
to do the test, yes or no? Are you going to do the
How
test, yes or
old are
no?
you?
Are you going to do the test, yes or no?
I'll do the test. Of course I will.
Okay.
Maria,
all right,
go in
all
the
right.
car.
So I'm going to have you remove your bag, okay?
Yeah. You got this recorded, right?
Yep.
So to embarrass me online.
Okay. So just so I'm clear, you're going to do the test.
You're not going to make me tippy toe, but yeah.
Okay. All right. Stay right there. Dial. Take that.
Is hers?
Yeah, that's hers. All right. Miss, I'm going to have you come over here for me.
How do I know, like, if
Nope,
I can
stay right
pass?
there for me.
How can I?
So listen, I'm going to give you explanation
What's
and
the pass
demonstration.
and go?
So listen, I'm going to give you explanation and demonstration for each test, okay? So, first thing I'm going to ask you. I'm sorry?
Make sure you're recording this.
Yeah, it's recorded. Yep.
After Bucci agrees to perform the field sobriety tests, the officer starts with following her eye movements. but it doesn't look like he's off to a great start.
Are you going to follow it?
Only because of the light. I turned at the last second.
So listen, I'm going to give you another opportunity. You going to follow this, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay.
I did it.
We're going to try that again, okay?
I thought I did it, but the light was like blurring.
Nope, nope.
Do you want me to get caught? Like, what are you doing?
I'm not doing anything, miss. I'm trying to administer. I'm trying to administer.
Like,
Doesn't matter how old
Are
I
you-
am. I'm trying to administer tests to you, and you're not following my directions. That's what's going on.
I gotta tell you what. My nephew's law enforcement. My
Okay.
uncle's law enforcement. What do you want me to do? You want to embarrass me? I'm an old lady. All right, I'll do it again. I can do it
Okay.
all day long if you want.
Okay. I'm gonna give you one last opportunity, okay?
All right. And don't put the light down,
Nope,
because then
nope,
nobody could do
nope,
it with
yeah,
the
nope.
nobody could do it with the light in
Nope.
their face. I think it's rude.
Okay.
I could do it though.
Keep your head straight, please.
Do you want to arrest me? Do you want to arrest
All right,
me?
we're done.
Yep.
All right. Next test, we're gonna move on.
The eye exam reportedly did not go as planned, so the officer presses his luck on the next field sobriety test.
The next test is a walk and turn test, okay?
Yeah.
Are you willing to do the test?
I mean, not really, but I'll do it for your entertainment only.
It's just a yes or a no.
Actually, what's my other option?
You
want
can
me to
say
call my
no.
attorney?
Nope, you can say no and we can move on. And
What's the no?
What?
What's the no? Because I want to take my cousin home. I want to go home.
all right,
Do
so
you
it's
want to
just
make it a big long
it's
game?
just a yes or a no, miss. That's all. I just need a yes or a no.
What's the options?
It's a yes or a no. It's that
And I'm
simple.
going to ask you, what's
It's
my
yes.
alternative?
It's yes or no.
And what if I say,
You
what's
can make
my
whatever decision.
alternative?
Listen, I'm not going to argue with you. I'm not going to argue with you.
God,
So it's a yes
I hope
or
I
a
don't
no.
raise a kid like you. I'm asking you my alternatives. If I say, what's my alternatives, you should say, ma'am, you walk the line, you go to the police station, or you walk the line and get in the car. What's
Okay,
my option?
miss, I'm going to ask you one last time. Okay?
What's my options, though?
Miss,
One last
it's
time.
it's a
But
yes
you
or a
said
no.
yes. You said my.
We are not allowed.
What do you guys?
Listen, we are legally not allowed.
I honestly feel bad.
Okay.
If I was a black human,
Oh,
I think you
okay.
guys.
Okay.
No, honestly,
Okay, I'm
I
gonna-
feel bad for the people. I
You're
feel
gonna insult
bad
me?
for the people
Okay, miss.
that are not
okay,
in my
miss.
position.
So, miss, you're not gonna do anything.
So what are you
anymore.
gonna do?
You're
Arrest
not
me?
gonna you're not gonna do
You're gonna
anything.
arrest me?
It's a yes or a no.
I'll do it.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're okay.
But
all right.
so far,
So all right.
nothing's good
Okay.
enough for you.
All
So
right,
what's
miss.
good enough?
Okay. Any injuries I should
And
be
you're
aware
gonna
of?
record this
Any
all.
any injuries that I
Yes,
should
I
be
have
aware
a
of?
bad knee on my left knee.
All right. Would it hinder you to walk and turn?
Could be. It just started today.
Okay. It's a yes or a no.
Yes.
So you can't do the test. Is that what you're telling me?
I probably can. I'll try. But
Okay.
The officer explains the walk and turn test to Bucci, but she appears to have more important matters to address.
Nope. So you're gonna start right here, miss.
Call my husband right now.
All right, miss. You're gonna
And
start.
call the attorney
miss,
general
miss,
and everybody
miss,
else in
Miss,
town.
you're gonna start over here, please.
Because this is disgusting.
Miss, you're gonna start over here,
God
please.
forbid I was a
Miss,
black person, I'd be arrested.
Miss, you're gonna start over here, please. Miss.
Well,
miss,
make sure my husband's on his way.
Miss, you are going to start right. Okay.
What are you going to do?
I've had
me?
enough.
Are you going to
I've
shoot
had
me?
enough.
What are you going to
Miss,
do? Arrest
I'm
me?
giving you another opportunity. Start over there, please.
I'm going to
start
start
over there.
right here on this line.
Okay,
I'm
we'll.
on a little line.
Yep. All right. That's fine. Yep. All right.
Bucci and the officer appear to get back on track, but that doesn't last very long.
I'm gonna demonstrate it to you. Okay. Stay in that position for me.
No, show me the
Stay in the
demonstration.
position, please.
Show me the
Stay in the
demonstration.
position, please. Heel to toe, miss. Heel to toe, please.
I don't know what heel to toe means.
I just showed you, miss. It's like this. Heel to toe. Heel to toe.
I did it.
You're not in it, but okay.
I think
We'll continue. All right,
I'm
so listen, I'm going to demonstrate it to you, okay? You're going to start, okay? 1, 2, 3. Simulating that's your 9th step. You're going to keep that front foot on the line. You're going to take a series of small steps and turn, okay? In this manner only. And then you're going to continue back down the line. 9 heel to toe steps, as so. Okay?
Where's my husband?
Okay. As you do this, okay.
Like, what is he doing?
As you do this, miss, keep your arms down by your side, look down at your feet, count your steps out loud, and don't stop the test until you've completed it.
I think
Okay?
he's on the
Do you understand?
phone.
Miss, do you understand?
I do.
Do you have any questions?
Honestly, I do. Can you do it one more time?
Sure, I'll do it for you one more time.
No, I want you to do it on the line.
Nope, right here. It's going to start like this. 1, 2, 3. Simulating that's your 9th step. You're going to keep that front foot on the line. You're gonna turn, okay, and take a series of small steps.
I
This
want
manner.
every
This manner only. Then you're gonna continue back down the line. 9 heel-to-toe steps, as so. Keep your arms down by your side. Look down at your feet. Count your steps out loud, and don't stop the test until you've completed
my
it.
cousin
Miss, do you understand?
No, I'm talking to you.
Miss, do you understand?
I don't understand.
Miss,
My
do you
cousin
understand?
is yelling.
Miss, do you understand?
If I do 8 steps or 7 steps,
Miss,
are you gonna?
Miss, just do you understand what I just instructed to you? It's a yes or no.
Did you talk to my husband? Is
Okay.
he on his way?
Okay. All right,
So
Miss.
why are you guys embarrassing me?
Miss, on the line, please.
This guy is like
All right.
talking gibberish.
After Bucci reportedly refused to follow instructions on the field sobriety tests, the officer had enough.
Turn around. Turn
Oh,
around.
you
I
wanna
don't know.
arrest me?
Yep. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Yep. Okay.
Look,
Guy,
give
you
me
wanna-
the camera. You're
Yep.
like, I am not drinking. You're a loser.
Stop.
Yeah, how old
Stop.
are you? I'm a 50-year-old
Stop.
lady. You should be
Stop.
ashamed of yourself. I hope they arrest your
Stop.
mother. I hope they arrest your mother, too.
Stop.
I don't drink.
Nope. Stop.
You didn't arrest me. You guys are gross. Oh, my whole family's in law enforcement.
Okay.
We should be ashamed of ourselves.
187. One in custody.
I can't stand it.
Stop.
You want to do 9 steps down?
Take a seat.
What do you want to do? You're embarrassing me.
Okay.
You're gross.
All right.
Drink it and drive.
I'm gonna
I
reach
didn't
over and
drink.
fasten you with the seatbelt.
I didn't even drink.
Okay.
Maria Bucci was transported to the Westerly police station, charged with driving under the influence. In exchange to have the charge dismissed, she was required to complete 20 hours of community service and an alcohol education program, in addition to a 30-day license suspension, over $900 in fines, and 6 months using an interlock system. All right, real quick, thank you so much for following us here on After Hours. Thank you for following these stories with us. And one of the reasons that we're able to do all this is because of the support that we get from our incredible partner, Morgan & Morgan. This is America's largest injury law firm. For over 35 years, they have been fighting for the people. They have recovered more than $30 billion for their clients. And look, the proof is in the track record. With more than 1,000 lawyers across 100 offices nationwide, hiring Morgan & Morgan is like hiring an army to go into battle for you, a team that will fight hard to get their clients the compensation they deserve. Look, not all law firms are the same. You hire the wrong one, you may be beat before you even start. So if you're ever injured, you can check out Morgan & Morgan. Their fee is free unless you win. And so for more information, you can go to forthepeople.com/afterhours, click the link below, or scan the QR code on screen. Our next body cam takes us to Chicago. At 12:37 a.m., officers notice a stalled vehicle blocking traffic on the highway. As they approach the driver's side window, they see a man appearing to be slumped over the wheel with his lights and engine still on.
Police! Open your door! Sir, open your door! Sir! Open your door! Open your door! Sir, police department, open your door! You're in the middle of the highway! Open the door! How you doing? Do you need an ambulance? Sir. Sir, put your car in park for me. Sir. Sir, do you need an ambulance? You understand do you know where you are right now?
49. That's what she want me to do.
Hey, you're in the middle of the highway sleeping in your car.
Go ahead, 49. Pick it up.
You were sleeping.
At 2000 South Carolina.
Alright, can you turn your car off for me? Okay, do you have where's the key fob at? No, don't turn it on. Keep it off. Alright, we have an... Look at me. Hey, do you know where you are right now? What's going on?
I'm in the middle of
Take off your seatbelt for me. The fire department's coming, okay? Where are you coming from? An elected official? What are you elected official for?
Police identify the driver as 37-year-old Nathaniel Booker, the mayor of Maywood, Illinois. But that doesn't stop officers from continuing to ask Booker for basic information.
All right, do you have any medical problems I should know about? Are you sick or injured?
I do not.
Do you take any medication for anything?
I do not.
Okay, so
I do not take anything at all.
You don't take anything at all? How much you had to drink tonight?
I had an event to celebrate a fundraiser.
Okay.
And I came here.
Okay, but you were drinking at the fundraiser.
Sure.
How much have you had to drink?
Not enough to equate to this.
Right? Tequila, beer, vodka.
Oh, like if you're like, oh, what event did you drink at? Huh? I'll have tequila.
You had tequila?
After Mayor Booker admits to drinking tequila at a fundraiser, officers ask him to exit the vehicle.
Nathaniel, step out of your car.
Yeah,
you can't be in your car right now.
This is great.
I know. All right, have a seat in my squad car, okay?
Do I need to know my attorney?
Sorry?
Do I need to know my attorney?
No, we need to get you out of the highway.
No. I'm not trying to be funny. Do I need to know my attorney right now? Like, and I'm not trying to be funny.
No, for your safety and everybody here.
No, I'm
we need to get you out of the highway.
I'm trying to be highway.
You're in the middle of the highway. We need to get you out of the highway.
Right.
Does that make sense?
So it does.
Okay.
Do I need to contact my attorney? Because I'm not drunk. I'm not chronic.
For your well-being,
I'm not trying to be some crazy person.
Okay.
I'm literally a mayor of a freaking town. I went to a fundraiser.
Okay.
I'm trying to get turned from to attorney.
No, we're trying to get you home.
Right. So
we're trying to get everyone here off the highway. We're in the middle of the highway.
Is literally crazy.
And we need to get off of it.
And I agree with you.
Does that make sense?
And I do. But I'm not some crazy person.
I'm not saying you're crazy.
Right, and I agree with you with that.
I'm saying that we need to get off the highway. So that's why I need to drive you to the Monroe Street exit.
Am I actually accepting? This is like
you can't drive this car right now.
No. So what I'm accepting this.
You're not accepting it?
Why don't we just get you off the highway really quick?
We're just trying to get you out of the
highway. I'm a paramedic here. I need to get you off this highway right now.
I would love to do that to them. What am I accepting, really?
You're accepting to let me take a look at you, what you're accepting.
But I'm not doing anything crazy.
Have you been drinking today?
I had a drink at a fundraising.
Just one drink?
No, I had a drink at a fundraising event.
All right, well, if we get you off the highway...
So we're not...
If we get you off the highway 2 minutes, and then we can talk.
Mayor Booker appears to become combative with first responders after being asked to sit in a squad car, which they claim is for his own safety.
There's a lot of danger here right now. Hey, what's up, man? You want to deal with this? Off the highway right now. What's wrong with it? That's all I want right now, is to get you off the highway.
We can take it if you want.
You want it?
Okay, I would love to get that back.
Can you just take a step
legally?
Legally what? I have a legal bound too.
Here, come over here. Come over here. We're gonna get you off the highway.
I guess I'm just trying to right there.
Oh, you are? Okay. You guys, what's your beat?
12, what are we today? We're 12:21. All right. 12 district.
Let's get everybody to safety.
I guess I look at like...
We're just worried about you.
The officers continue their efforts to get Mayor Booker off the highway, but he isn't budging.
We're here for you because we're concerned
I don't
about
think
you.
this is a concern for me.
No, it is.
I don't look at all of any of this. It's a concern for me.
Come on, I'll
and I'm sure, like, at some point in time...
So this is what I want you to do. I want to drive you to this exit, and then we're going to move your car so that the fire department and the state police can clear the highway up.
I would love to do that.
Okay, come on, let's go in my car. You're not under arrest.
But no, I'm not going in my car. I'm not.
I'm not. We have to.
Not gonna get it. No, I don't have to.
You can't drive your car.
So I guess to be honest with you.
Yeah.
I'm literally just trying to figure out what the is happening right now.
Okay, so you fell asleep in your car in the middle of the highway. Okay? And you've been obstructing traffic for a while now. So in order to make sure that everybody's safe here, I want to put you in my car and drive you to the exit, and then my partner is going to drive your car behind us.
So this is the car, but I'll say like
traffic is backed up for a long
I will accept, but that's what you're saying?
Yeah.
I'm not saying, I'm not accepting that.
You're not accepting what?
What you're accepting.
That's what we're going to do.
But I will hear you to say, I'm blocking something.
Traffic, yeah, you're on the highway.
Sure.
Do you see behind you all these people?
No. I look at that. I don't know what that is.
You don't know what it is?
I'm traffic.
Do you understand we're in the middle of the highway right now?
Sir, this officer just wants to give you, they're going to give you a ride just right to the top of the highway, okay? So we can all get off here.
I don't know.
Help me out. Can you help me out?
I don't want to ride.
But we gotta give you a ride.
Sure.
You can't walk on the highway.
I can.
You can't.
It's actually it's illegal. We can't. It's unsafe. It's unsafe.
Yeah, we can't let you do that.
We're trying to make sure that you get off the highway safely.
So let's just get you a ride. We're just going to get you to the top of the ramp, okay? So we can all get
I
off
don't
here.
trust that.
Okay.
I hear what you're saying.
Okay.
We're not going to handcuff you.
What don't you trust?
The fact that you're asking me to do something, that I'm saying, okay, I'll do it. But you're like, but I want you to trust that we want you to do it.
Right. We're just trying to expedite
I'll
the
do
process.
whatever y'all want. I will do whatever y'all want me to do.
Hey, Nathaniel, we're just going to drive you up to the highway. We can't stand out here in the middle of the highway.
Tell me what you want me to do.
I want you to sit in my squad car.
We're just going to get in here real quick.
I'm not getting a trust car.
Why?
Because I don't trust it.
What don't you trust about it?
What exactly do you want me to do?
You're not even on handcuffs.
You're not even in handcuffs.
You're not even on handcuffs.
It's just a ride off the highway.
It's a ride about 500 feet that way.
It's a free Uber.
What do you want me to do that doesn't equate me to trusting getting into a car?
That's the only option because we can't let you drive. We can't walk.
That's not the only option. I will walk wherever you want me to walk.
You can't walk along the highway. It's unsafe.
Okay. I'm not getting into that car. I don't trust that getting into that car.
I don't want to have to handcuff you.
Everything's be audio visual recording, Nathaniel, so you don't trust us. Our body cams are on. You understand that, right? We have 4 body cams on.
And I understand
So
that.
nothing bad's gonna happen.
So if you want me to walk over to that,
You can't walk.
You can't walk.
You can't walk.
You might
The
get hit
only
by a
option is
car.
what my partner's telling you.
So you're
That's
telling me
the only option.
even though you're cameraing me, I don't have an option.
It's for your safety.
We can't let you drive and we cannot let you walk along the highway. You understand that?
That is not for my safety. That is not for my safety.
It literally is for your safety.
So would you feel more comfortable going in our car? Mine and my partner?
I would.
Okay.
Officers eventually get Booker in a squad car and off the highway.
I'm not some crazy person.
I'm not saying you're crazy.
No, I get that. That's it. It's it. What I say? This is dumb.
Okay, let me explain why we're here. Right? You fell asleep in your car in the middle of the expressway, in the middle lane, okay? When we showed up, you were still sleeping. When I woke you up, you were very confused, groggy, sluggish. I can smell alcohol in your breath, okay? Did you understand why we might not let you drive your car and why we might drive you over here? If someone's in that situation, does that make sense?
I hear you.
You've admitted you've been drinking.
I hear you.
Okay. Does that make sense why we're here?
I hear you.
Okay. So I want to make sure that you're okay.
I'm perfectly fine.
But I have to make sure of it. I cannot let you drive until I can 100%.
And I'm not even trying to come for you.
Okay.
I hear what you're trying to say.
Okay.
I hear you.
Okay. So do you want me to check you out real quick? I just check your eyes. You walk in a line, just to make sure that you're okay. Do you want me to do that?
I don't find it.
I'm sorry?
I do not decline it.
You do not what?
Decline it.
You do not decline it? So you let me check your eyes real quick. Okay. Do you wear contacts? Is there anything wrong with your eyes or any eye abnormalities?
Booker agrees to let the officer put him through the field sobriety eye test, but it doesn't go very well.
Everything you're doing is moving up, right?
Yeah, but your head stays still, right? So you know how to look up like this? That's what
How
we're
in the
doing.
world am I not supposed to move up if you're moving up?
Well, you can look up right with your eyes. Yeah, I'll go slower.
Sure, and that's what I'm doing.
That's the last part.
So if things are moving up and I move up, I'm moving up.
Okay. All right, I'll go slower. Okay, good job. Okay.
The officer then moves onto the walk and turn test.
So when I tell you to start from this position, you're going to take 9 steps, touching heel to toe, while watching your feet, counting your steps out loud, and keeping your arms down at your side. It's going to look just like this.
And I'm asking
1,
you, why is that
2,
relevant?
3. I'm sorry?
So if I'm giving you what you want,
Okay.
why is that relevant?
These are to test to see if you're
I want an attorney.
You want an
That's-
attorney?
I literally want an attorney.
Okay, so you don't want to do
Because
this?
I think this is crazy.
You think this is
because
crazy?
I don't understand the value of this. So I'm asking you for an attorney.
You want an attorney?
If you're asking me to do this, because honestly, I will do this all day long.
Well, you
And
haven't
I
been
will
able to
give
do
you
it
this,
once.
and I will say this, and I will say this, and I will say obviously this. But that's not enough for you. So honestly, I don't understand. Where's an attorney?
You want an attorney?
Where I feel protected.
Do you want to call an attorney?
I don't feel protected by this at all. I don't feel what I'm doing right now is protecting of me whatsoever. As a person who literally lives my life at this point to say I'm trying to make the lives better for people.
Okay.
I don't think that this at all, none of this does anything for make me as a person that's like, I don't have to do this.
So you don't want to do the line?
I don't want to do any of this.
Do you want to take a
because
breathalyzer?
I want an attorney.
Instead of doing the walk and turn test, Mayor Booker asks for an attorney, so the officer moves in to arrest him.
All right, Daniel, put your hands behind your back.
See what this is.
Yes, I'm getting a drunk driver off the streets tonight. Okay. All right, you're under arrest for DUI, Nathaniel. Do you understand that?
I understand that I have to hire an attorney now. Like, this is crazy. I don't understand.
All right, do you have anything in your car that you want us to grab for you? A cell phone? Any
want
property?
an attorney.
Okay, we can call an attorney in the station, okay? Let's walk to my SWAT car. Okay. Have a seat in my car. Watch your head, Nathaniel. You're a little tall.
Booker is then taken to the police station on a DUI charge, and he's placed in a holding cell.
What hand do you want to be cupped to the wall? Left or right? You're not going to say anything? That's fine. Take a seat. No, it has to be cupped, so I need you to take a seat.
I don't want you to take this off on me.
Oh, no, you want to talk to me. Okay. Why'd you say that? Why'd you say that when I asked?
I don't have a problem talking to you.
I mean, I asked you a question, you just ignored me.
I think it's all crazy.
Well, I mean, that's what court's for.
Nathaniel Booker was charged with driving under the influence of alcohol and obstructing traffic and was released from custody on his own recognizance. He later pleaded guilty to the DUI charge and was sentenced to 1 year of probation. Booker's job as mayor remained intact. Next up, we're in Fort Wayne, Indiana. At around 10:23 p.m., officers responded to a two-vehicle crash on the side of the road.
What's going on today? What can I do for you?
Well, obviously, I swung too wide on the roundabout and hit her side mirror.
Okay, you guys are coming through the roundabout?
Yeah.
I was going this way, he was coming this way, and he was in my lane coming straight towards me.
I went around her.
I went to slow down and it just...
All right, so
you.
Search.
I'm Tom Henry.
Yes, sir.
Officers come in contact with 70-year-old Tom Henry, the town mayor.
So which?
It was me.
So you're just coming out of the roundabout and you were on Old Mill?
I went around too
Yeah,
wide.
I was going this way.
Okay.
I thought I made the curve and I didn't.
Okay.
That was my fault.
All right. All right, the officer en route's going to need driver's license and insurance card.
Sure. Absolutely.
How many people in your car?
Just my wife and the niece. Business card?
Oh,
Well, that's good.
Driver's license.
My driver's license.
And insurance card, auto insurance. Not the health insurance.
Which one? Well, I don't know which one it is. Take that one.
That's the auto. That's your health insurance.
Hell, I don't know which one it is.
You're insured by the city of Fort Wayne?
Do you think?
I don't know. I don't know how that runs. I understand, but
I'm insured by the city.
Okay.
Take it.
That's a city car?
That's fine.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. All right.
Mayor Henry admits to being in the wrong and appears to struggle while finding the right identification cards to give police. Meanwhile, the responding officer informs his colleague about the situation.
I don't know however you want to do this, but he was driving and he came out of the roundabout. The woman was going southbound. He came out of the roundabout too wide and hit her. He's trying to hand me his health insurance card like 4 times for his auto insurance. Then you realize he's in a city vehicle. I didn't know it was a city vehicle. It's got a personal plate on it. So, then he gave me his business card for his driver's license. I don't know. I told him it was his business card. I don't need that. He gave it to me anyway. There's his driver's license.
While the two officers converse, the mayor tries to get their attention.
We'll be up there in a minute, Mayor.
Okay.
Okay?
She's blind.
Who's blind?
Her passenger just scared.
Okay, well, stay out of the road. You're going to get hit. You're on the southbound side. This car's coming down. And you're in all dark, and they can't see you.
My white shirt, you don't see?
The white shirt's not facing the traffic.
I understand.
So, we don't want to see you get hit.
You're an officer.
Search?
Search.
Yep.
Thank you.
Yes, sir?
That's what I get for going to fundraisers.
Fundraiser? What fundraiser was there tonight?
Civic Theater.
Oh, okay.
And I had to drop my daughter-in-law off, and anyway, it's good.
Okay.
Whenever.
Be careful. Walking up there. This officer's going to take over here in a minute.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
A few moments later, he flags the officer down for an urgent request.
Whoa. Careful.
No, it's fine. My wife needs a ride home right now. She's very ill. She has cancer, and she's very, very sick. She needs a ride home right now.
She needs a what?
A ride home.
A ride home?
Oh, yes.
Okay, I'll get a unit out here to take her home.
I'm the mayor. Take her home right now. Steve, I don't care who you call. You take my wife home.
You want me to take her home?
Yes, right now, and with lights and siren.
Where's home at? What's the address?
Okay. I'll be on Steve back.
Okay.
Right now. Take her home.
I hear you, Mayor. Let me get your address. You want me to take her license, Irons?
I don't. Yes, please. She's very, very ill. I took her home for the first time tonight.
Stand over here. There's a car coming. Stand over here. Just.
Thank you. Right now. Take her right now.
Okay.
I'll give us what it takes. That's an order.
It's an order? All right.
Yes, sir.
Which one's your wife? In the front passenger? King 356, I'm being ordered by the mayor to take his wife home. Lights and sirens.
King 356, I'm clear. Ordered by the mayor. Take his wife home, lights and sirens. King 356, I'll be not here shortly. I'll relieve you.
Nope, that's orders for me, he said.
After Mayor Henry makes a demanding request to take his wife home, the officers proceed to track her down at the scene.
Hi. What's your first name? I'm Julie. Nice to meet you. My car's all the way back here, so I'm going to have you guys step back here with me, okay?
I've got soup with me.
Well, hopefully it stays warm.
Thank you so much.
This is your mother?
No.
Okay.
She's too old to be my mother.
I'm going to have you step back here with these officers. We're going to go all the way back here. That way we don't fall and other cars. Yes.
Yes. I don't care about me. I care about my life.
Right. They're going to go back here with me. I'll make sure she's taken care of, sir.
Let's do it.
All right. I'm going to have... I know you are. I'm just going to have you step right here. Tom, come here. Good? Okay. I'm going to go back there.
I'm worried about my wife.
I know. I'm going to go back there with her. And I'm going to
understand the situation.
Yes. I got her. Okay.
Take her out one time in 2 weeks.
Take a deep breath.
I'm fine. I'm just looking at her.
Caitlin, I'm going to go back with them.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. I'll find it. I'll get it taken care of.
We're going to the same place, Julie.
Perfect.
We can't get in though.
No. Well.
Is there a dog in there?
No, there's not. But do you want someone to come pick you up? Are you able to?
I'm sorry?
Do you want someone to come pick you up instead of me giving you a ride?
I don't understand the question. Why do you want me to do that?
No, I'm just asking as a courtesy. That way you don't have to see you're riding a police car. Totally up to you.
I'm grateful at this point. I'm not feeling well. So
okay. All right.
I would like to go. Mom and I were supposed to go to Chicago in the morning, and it's getting late. So
okay.
I'm very grateful if you could drive
okay.
us.
Because the only thing is you'd have to ride in the cage. So that's why I'm asking.
Is it pretty disgusting?
It's just not the most pleasant. So, one of you will have to sit in the cage, and then I can make room in my front seat, which is just not the most comfortable. That's why I said if you want.
Who would pick us up then?
I don't know. That's why I'm asking if you have a ride. It's late. It's a large family, so
my
okay.
Kids are all at different things.
Ma'am, if you want to step up here real quick, sure. I'll give my car a once-over and get it ready to transport you guys. As I was explaining to her, the cage it's not the most comfortable,
That's okay.
But
I'll sit in the cage, Mom. No, you're not sitting in the cage. You're not going to be uncomfortable when I'm around. I used to
do you just want to hang out right here in the grass so you don't have to step down?
Thank
All right,
you.
Give me just a minute.
As police prepare to take Mayor Henry's wife and mother-in-law home, the sergeant arrives on scene to speak with her seemingly agitated husband and give him a breathalyzer test.
How you doing, sir?
Well, obviously not too good.
Okay, so you know my officers, we got called in for a crash. Okay,
Go do what you got to do.
I appreciate that, and we just have to walk through this.
No, I understand.
We have to walk through this.
No, I understand. I was taking my wife home. We were at the Civic Theater tonight for a fundraiser.
Okay.
Somebody's wife couldn't take her home.
Okay.
So I took her home.
Okay.
Coming back, either I had obviously too much to drink or coming around that roundabout, which I'm not familiar with. I went over the line, I hit somebody's side view mirror.
Okay.
It is what it is. I understand that.
I really appreciate that, and I'm telling you right now, the way you're walking through this,
I know it.
it sucks.
I
But
know, it sucks.
but the thing is if we don't follow the steps, if we don't do this thing the right way, it's going to come back.
Oh, no,
it always comes back.
Yeah,
so what we're going to do?
The mayor had a DUI or whatever you want to call it.
So what we're going to do is we're going to give you a PBT, breath, if you don't mind. We're going to give you a pulmonary breath test to see where you're at. There's one in the car over there. Okay. So we're just going to give you that.
My wife, I was hurrying home.
And she got home, right? We got her home.
No, they're in my
hope so.
Okay.
Yeah, she's got. I don't know if you know that she's got cancer.
Okay, I didn't know that.
She's in severe pain.
Okay.
That's why I was hurrying home.
Okay, we'll get her home.
No. Don't worry about that. That's not nothing to do with this. I was just in a hurry.
Officer, I suppose we're going to give you.
Let's do our thing.
Just big deep breath and blow.
Probably 4.0. No.
You'd be dead if it was 4.0.
I know it.
Sir, I do appreciate your cooperation.
No,
okay.
We have to do it.
Okay.
What is it, Steve?
156.
You're over the legal limit.
What else can we do?
That's about twice.
About twice.
Are we done with this?
According to the officer, Mayor Henry blew a .156, nearly twice the legal limit. After the officers consult about their next move, the sergeant makes his way back over to Mayor Henry, sitting in the back of a squad car.
Come on, Savannah.
Put me in the handcuffs. Put the mayor in the back seat of the handcuffs.
Sir, I'm going to have you step out.
I won't forget this.
Well, sir.
Believe me.
I just want you to know that we are recording everything, okay?
That's fine.
Okay.
I just cannot believe that you put me in the handcuffs in the mayor of the city. It's one thing, to talk to me about. These handcuffs are breaking my wrist.
What we're going to do, have to go in handcuffs, okay? What we're going to do is we're going to move the handcuffs to the front, but we're going to have you sit back in the car. Okay, we're going to take your coat.
Where's the chief?
I've just spoke to the chief. Okay, the chief says I got to do my job, and we already spoke about this. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to take the handcuffs. We're going to put them on the front, but we need your cooperation.
Absolutely better,
sir. Just remember, we are recording.
I understand.
We are recording everything.
I understand what you're saying.
Okay, so
I hit a side view mirror, and this is where I have to go through.
Sir, we are in the middle of something that we don't want to be in.
I understand.
Okay. What I'm going to have you do is take your coat off. Go ahead, take your coat off. After we get this handcuff, hold on.
Just take the handcuff off first.
Hold on. What we're going to do is we're going to wrap you. We're going to take your coat. We're going to take that off. Okay. We're going to take your coat. We're going to put the handcuffs back on to the front. To the front. Here you go. Go ahead, put them back. And then we're going to wrap your coat over the top. I'm telling you this, please.
Say the word.
Okay, thank you. We're going to make sure they're double locked so they're not
Where's
locked
my
in.
wife?
We're going to get her home.
She's still with me.
Is she? She's still home.
Yeah, she's still with me.
Get her home.
We'll get her home, sir.
Get her home.
Sir, I'm going to wrap these over the top, but you're going to have to sit in the back of this car.
Where is she now?
She's in her car. Okay?
Get her home.
We will. We'll get her home.
I don't...
Sir, I'm about to ask you to step in the car.
You all work for me.
Sir.
Right?
Please.
I'm serious.
Sir.
I don't care about me.
Sir.
Get my wife home.
We will get your wife home. Listen. Okay.
Right now.
Sir.
She is short of treatment. Get her home.
Sir, I'm going to ask you to step into the car, okay? We will take care of everything.
I will take her home.
Sir.
Not until I make sure my wife is on the way home.
That's not your choice anymore.
I will take her home.
I do.
Okay. Just have a seat back in the car for me, okay, please? Are you okay?
I am now.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Mayor Henry, now charged with operating a vehicle under the influence, is taken to the police station. He's then put through several field sobriety tests, including the walk and turn test. Here's how that went.
3.
Yep, watch your feet.
4, 5, 6, 7,
8, 9. Answer the phone. 10. 1, 2.
Yep, heel or toe steps.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You're good.
5, 6, 7. Well, I guess I was one short.
That's okay. We are all done with those, all right?
All right.
Mayor Henry appeared to have fun with that exercise, but it wasn't so fun learning the results of a second breathalyzer test he took at the station.
Your official score was .152.
Yeah, that's
just under twice the legal limit.
Did you sign them all?
Yeah.
And give me a reminder when you're done.
Sometimes you just don't know how much you drink sometimes.
No, you know, you specialize. Yeah,
it's one of those things. Home and stuff like that, so
no, I understand.
You're like,
so I'm spending the night here.
You're not going to price it a night.
I appreciate that.
It's an LR charge, sir.
I'm sorry, I
might be here for a little bit, but
not overnight.
I just want to make sure my wife.
I don't
care about. Make sure she needed everything, got her home. Make sure that if she needed anybody, that we would contact them.
No pictures, I hope.
You look very photogenic in your suit.
I don't have my suit. You guys took it.
He's got your jacket.
No, I don't want it. No.
You don't want it.
We don't get any pictures taken.
You still look photogenic in your shirt.
Well, we don't get pictures taken.
I don't even know.
Let's don't do that.
The mayor appears to be joking now, but his attitude changes when he realizes he's being put in a cell.
Okay, this is not.
I would not be in the cell.
This is not our decision.
It's the sheriff's.
This is the county's decision.
Then get hold of the sheriff.
I would
do
that.
Call the sheriff. There's no way I'm going to sit in the cell.
State law. No way around it. You're the level that you are. They have a cell to yourself, away from everybody else, and we've been very specific to just get you in here as easily. Huh?
You talk to Steve.
I cannot talk to Steve. This is state law. This is the county state law. This is state law.
State law or county law?
This is state law that you have to be here for 6 hours and 40 minutes. I just talked to their command, and you have to be here for that long.
Who in your command?
I don't know. I don't know who it was, but it's their jailer. They know their job. I can give you your coat back so you can stay a little bit warmer. We are going to remove your belt at some point here when they get done with that person out here. We're getting them out of the way. We're going to remove your belt. I can give your coat back though.
You're obviously taking all this.
Yes, sir. Good. So we're going to remove your belt, but I give your coat back. They said we will put you in a cell by yourself.
What time is it?
It is.
You took my watch.
It's right after midnight, sir.
I'm sorry.
It's after midnight. 2 after midnight. These are the things we have to walk through.
Oh, I understand.
And understand. No, sir. No, sir.
I can't talk to the chief.
No, sir.
I can't talk to the sheriff.
No, sir. Not unless they are going to allow you to do it. You can speak to their lockup. Their lockup staff. They've already talked to their command already.
And the sheriff and the chief both said I cannot talk to them.
Yes, sir. We were just walking through it. If the sheriff or the chief wants to talk to you, they will have to contact you
and
themselves.
Neither one of them have said no.
I have not asked if they can contact you or not, but we do not walk through this. He told me to follow protocols.
I understand what your job is.
We're following protocols.
I understand what your job is. I would like to talk to either the chief.
This is what I will do. I will talk to my command and let them know what we have. It will be up to them if they probably are going to I would say wall this off because they don't want to look like they have a hand in it, because if they have a hand in it, guess what? You get bad perception, right? It's the way it is.
Tell me about it.
But the thing is this, I'm not telling you how.
Sergeant, I understand.
I'm not trying to tell you how this.
I just want to make sure that the sheriff
I will make sure
both know that
you're here. You're here.
Yeah.
I will make.
Obviously, I admit that.
Sir.
I was thinking too much.
Sorry. Listen, I will make sure. I will call the chief.
Let's do it.
I want to make sure there's nobody out here in the hall. We are good to go.
The sergeant takes Mayor Henry to his holding cell, but he's not going down without a fight.
We covered the window, sir. But we're going to have to ask you to sit.
sorry?
We're going to have to ask you to sit in here until they release you, okay? Like according to state law, what we're required to do, you have to sit a minimum of what your BAC comes back to, okay?
Which is how much?
It's 1.5. It's 6 hours and 40 minutes. And there's nothing we can do about that.
Starting since when?
You blew. Since you blew.
Since when? What time?
11:47.
11:47.
I'll be here till 6 o'clock in the morning.
A little bit less than that, sir. Somewhere there.
Does my wife know?
Your wife knows you're kin with us, yes.
Does she know how much time I got to be here?
I will get.
God damn it, she's got medical problems. You know that.
I will. Getting her phone number, I will call her and let her know how long you're going to be here.
Who's the quadrant leader in this area?
I'm the quadrant sergeant.
Is it PJ or
no? This Hafner. Steve Hafner.
Get hold of Steve. Have to get hold of me.
Okay. What, do you want me?
Have Steve get hold of me now.
Sir, do you want me to?
That's an order.
Do you want me to call your wife and let her know how long you're going to be?
Call Steve and have him get here now. That's an order.
I will. This is what I'm going to do.
That's an order.
I'm going to call the chief.
You understand what I'm saying?
I will call the chief of police. I know what the disposition is right now. I will let him know.
Either Steve gets here or Steve gets here.
Okay.
Now.
Sir, you're going to step aside.
I don't care what time it is.
Sir, you're going to step aside.
I will.
Thank you very much.
I'm
sorry for these circumstances that we had to meet.
Here now.
Yes, sir. I will let the chief know.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Tom Henry was charged with operating a motor vehicle under the influence. He eventually pleaded guilty to the charge and had his license suspended for 90 days in addition to over $3,000 in fines. His job as mayor remained intact until he passed away in March of 2024. Our last incident takes us to Lordsburg, New Mexico. Just before 5 p.m., police are dispatched to a residence over an alleged domestic dispute report involving 2 females.
Hello. Hi, Artie. How are you?
Hi, Carlos. Oh, this will be great, guys. Have at it with her.
The officers come in contact with Glenda Green, the same woman who was elected mayor of Lordsburg 6 months later.
What's going on?
Artie, you and I both know you're going to side with her, so just go with her.
I'm not here to side with anybody, Glenda. I'm not here to side with anybody.
It's fine.
What's going on?
She's drunk and she wants to do her thing, so...
What happened to your lip?
What do you think happened?
Well, I'm asking you. I didn't know I wasn't here. I'm asking you.
She hit me.
Did you hit her at all?
Yeah, I did. I'm not gonna lie. I did.
She
wants to hit me and she hits me.
Have you been drinking?
I had a couple of beers.
According to police, Green appeared to have a bloody nose and busted lip, along with a strong odor of alcohol coming from her breath.
Okay, what's the fight over?
I wasn't here when she got home.
You weren't here? And she got mad because you weren't here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You okay? You need an ambulance or anything? You good? You good?
I'm fine.
Okay. So you were gone. I'm trying to just picture everything. Okay, you were gone, and when she got home, you weren't here, so she got upset when you got here.
We're doing her thing at the
Elks. Are you okay? Just relax. You were doing your thing at the Elks?
I came home. She was behind me. I stopped. Oh, Artie.
That's all right.
I stopped and got her some stuff at the pilot. Came home. I guess she had come home prior to me. She was pissed off because I wasn't home. Man, it just hit the fan. That's it.
Who was more aggressive, do you think?
Definitely her.
Yeah.
She's gonna say definitely me. So, but definitely her. It doesn't matter. We were both wrong.
Is this the first time it's ever happened? Yeah. To this extent?
Yeah.
So how did you cut your hand with something?
No, I pick my fingers.
You bit them? Or you bite them?
I pick them.
Oh, you pick them.
When I'm nervous.
Was that lip thing with the straight fist or with the open fist? Or
straight fist.
Straight fist? Multiple or just one?
I don't even remember. I don't even remember. Is it bad?
Yeah.
Is it?
It's bad. That's why I keep asking about it. If we go like this a little bit, your nose bleeding too? A little bit? Okay.
After police get Green's side of the story, an officer speaks with her wife inside the home. Afterwards, he relays that conversation to a colleague.
Yes, I guess they were at the Elks, okay, and she has the keys. Maria has the keys, so she locked the Elks, and they're supposed to come here. So when Maria gets here, Linda's nowhere to be found. She drives around and she finds. She drives around. I think she finds her, and they're coming here. So they, I guess, Linda had Maria's cell phone, and I guess they were both drinking.
Did Maria hit her? Did she admit to hitting her?
So Maria said that Linda was mad and Linda started punching her. She had
I don't know where it's at.
No, we could go inside real quick, Maria, please.
Oh,
you can go inside, please.
Maria said that Linda punched her like 5 to 10 times on her left ear, and she has a red ear. You know, her left ear is red, and this one is just like
her nose is all her nose is all bloody and her lip too.
Okay. She said, this is what Maria said, that she got socked by Glenda, and then she turned her around and held her. And she said, I might have hit her, but it was in self-defense.
She told me she had a straight fist to the face.
Yeah. And then she had a busted lip. Okay.
I think based on his statement, they're both aggressors, you know, so
Yeah.
I think you gotta get, both for domestic battery.
Domestic. Both of them? Okay. Yeah, they've both been drinking, right? And Maria did agree that she hit Glenda. She's claiming self-defense.
And she's saying there was no stick up or Maria, so I don't want any of that, you know.
I think that's the best decision, just...
The officers on scene struggle to determine the suspected aggressor, so they decide to arrest them both.
Say that you punched her in the ear a bunch of times and stuff like that too, but it's going to be, we can determine an aggressor, so the aggressor is going to be both of the aggression there, so we're going to go with the domestic on both of you. So, all right, so we're gonna, you can stand up real quick. We're going to take you in real quick, both of you guys. Yeah, that's fine. You're good.
Really?
Yeah, both of them are going to jail. Both of them are going to jail. No, just one. Both of them.
Call me. 654-3331.
Hold on. They're both involved in a domestic. They both punched each other.
Are you gonna arrest my mom too?
Yes.
Are you kidding me?
She's going to jail too. Both of them are going to jail.
As much as this happens. Can I get my phone?
Yeah, yeah. Sure. No, you could bond out. You could bond out on it. You want to get her stuff? You can get her stuff.
Okay, I'll go get your money.
Help you. you guys arrest her.
We are. Don't worry.
I swear to God,
I promise you. I promise you. We talked about it right now. Let me have you stand right here by my seat because I got to move a bunch of stuff. I promise you, Glenda. I promise you. Careful.
It's fine.
Okay?
It's fine. I freaking hope you do. I swear to God.
We are. We are. That's why I'm going to go back in there and make sure they don't give them any problems because we are arresting her too. Because I'm not gonna let her get away with this too. You know?
She will.
She won't.
She'll get away.
She won't. I promise you. I promise you I'm going to do my job, Glenda. I promise you that. Okay?
When it comes to convictions or when it comes to, determine who's going to be
I know you're doing your job, and I don't. That's it.
Sorry, Maria.
No,
Okay. Let's go.
that's fine.
It's going to be book and release, right?
Put it in the car real quick.
On mine?
Yeah, your car. Hey. Hey, don't.
It is.
Hey, bro, put it in your car.
After Green and her partner are brought to the station for processing, an officer contacts the judge trying to get them a bond, because in New Mexico, battery is a no-bond offense.
Your Honor, how are you doing, sir? Hey, sorry to bug you. I was going to call you and tell you me and Carlos just arrested Glenda and Maria for domestic battery on each other. So I wanted to see if, I told them I would call you to see if I could get a bond on them because they're willing to bond them out. But I know it's a no bond in there, but I just told them I'd give you a call, see if I could get a bond set on them. Okay. Okay. Well, I just had to do my part because I told them I do. You know. So. No, I'm not. No. Yeah. So I can there's busted lips and stuff like that, and that, and if they have a place to go, then. But I just, if you want to, I don't know if there's any way we could do like a, you know, at least whatever the bond is minus they have money to bond out. I'd rather them bond out, you know. Okay. Okay. You want to call the jail? Yeah, I know. So but it's just I know I'm a good guy, I guess, Judge. I guess, you know. But the reason is because of we do it for females having to transport them out of town too. You know. So. Can you call the jail just to you would all right, thanks, Judge. I'm gonna go book Glenda right now. I still have her at the PD. Carlos is over there, but just to make sure and I'll tell her right now that all right, thanks. Bye.
As Green and the officer make their way to the jail for booking, they reflect on what exactly happened.
And we can determine the aggressor because of whatever reason, and she's claiming you punched her multiple times in the ear and face and this and I didn't see her marks, but Carlos said she had marks on her ear somewhere here, but I don't know. I wasn't there, so it's very hard for us. Domestics are very hard because we're not there. We're just there to try to figure out exactly what happened, and if we don't get the full story, then we never can determine exactly what happened because it's never going to be, you know, you never get the full entire story. But based on what we got, you know, there was a violation of the law that was committed, so we have to just at least act. And I told it. What's that?
I'm not gonna lie, I hit her in the ear.
Yeah. Well,
She punched me in the face.
Yeah. Well, that's understandable. You know, if you're getting hit, normally you hit back. But to determine exactly who the aggressor is what we're trying to do, so we can at least take the aggressor in and get the victim some help. But in this particular case, it was pretty difficult for us. And you saying this is the first time it happened to me, it's hard for me to be like, okay, well, this is the first time it happened. But Lala's telling me it happened more than once before. And but if you guys need anything, you know, I'll be there. You know, I will. I'm not a bad person. I'm not a bad person. I
Never thought you were.
know you haven't. I know, but that's what I told the judge right now. I said, Judge, I'm not trying to show any favoritism or nothing like that. You know, I call whenever I don't want to transport a female to Deming or to Silver or somewhere. You know, I'll call you and say either lower the bond or let them do a cash bond or do an OR for us, so we don't have to go.
What happens now? I just get booked?
You'll just get booked, and then the judge is going to call the jail and tell them that you guys are released on your own recognizance, as long as you guys stay separated and it doesn't occur again. Because if it occurs where you guys happen to get back together tonight by him letting you out and we end up responding, then he could leave you in jail till Monday, till he has to see you. You know, if we had to arrest, which we have had to before, because we've done it, or back in the day. That's why they put no bonds on domestics, because that way they won't allow them to get out. But back in the day, they would bond out, go back, and end up in a situation where we'd have to arrest again, and then they couldn't get out after that. Well, I just hope maybe you guys can work through it and you guys can figure it out, or if there's help needed, or if alcohol was a contributing factor to what happened, then you guys know where the problem lies and you guys can figure it out. But if it's something other than anger management, jealousy, whatever it might be, you know, I don't know. I'm just rambling off, so you don't have to listen to anything I have to say. But if you need any help with anything, just let me know and I'll help you.
Green and the officer arrive at the jail, and he lets the staff know the plan.
How you guys doing? Good.
What's the plan?
Did the judge call you already?
Not yet.
Okay, yeah, he's gonna call. It's gonna be just a book and OR. Yeah, he's gonna OR.
He's gonna just straight OR, so no bond?
No bond, yeah.
Perfect.
Okay, this is her copy. And well, actually, this is my copy. Sorry, those are your guys' copies. And one's her copy. Okay.
All right, so you're good.
Am I good?
Yeah.
Nothing?
Yeah, you don't need to do anything.
Well, do you need to do anything? It's not a straight bond.
They're just gonna release him right now.
Release on OR. Do you need anything for your paperwork on that?
Not there. I mean, you're gonna do it right now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Judge is gonna call and do it right now.
The judge should be calling. I just talked to him. He was gonna call the jail.
That's fine.
So you don't need to do anything.
Okay.
Is it gonna be a video or a phone call?
No, it's gonna be a phone call.
He's gonna call us to let us know, and he's gonna send us the paperwork.
Yeah.
You can go ahead and uncuff her if you want.
You can what now? Uncuff her? Actually, you guys got a cuff key. I left mine on my thing.
Is Tisha still gonna come by then?
She's not home.
Oh, gotcha.
So are we gonna do that on both?
Yes. Just he's gonna put some restrictions that they can't be around each other and all that stuff. All right.
If you wanna start on all that, give me this picture.
I'll go start on You can fill out this for me, please, Mark.
Or you can just wait after you guys get her done, or you can then wait and let him in with the other one.
Yeah, we can do that.
Okay.
Just complete separate.
You gonna need anything else from me?
No, I'm good.
You good?
Yeah.
Justice, good seeing you, man.
Sir, you too, boss.
Hey, what's your name, bud?
Kurt.
Kurt?
Yes,
Nice
sir.
to meet you. I'm Marty.
Meet you, sir.
All right, you take care. Linda, you take care. Okay, you take care. If you need anything, call me.
Green and her wife, both charged with battery, were released from jail on their own recognizance, but were prohibited from contacting each other for the night. Both of their charges were later dismissed without prejudice. Thanks for watching, everybody. This episode of Law&Crime After Hours was researched, written, and produced by Heather Berzak. Video editing is done by Daniel Camacho. I'm Jesse Weber. We'll see you next week.